Why do libertarians critique the negative income tax? Imagine a world where the government decides who gets how much money, and everyone's income depends on what the state says is fair. Sounds simple, right? But many libertarians see problems with this idea. The negative income tax is a system where the government gives money to people earning below a certain level, funded by taxes on others. While it sounds like a way to help the poor, libertarians have strong reasons to oppose it. They believe it involves taking money from some people and giving it to others without their full consent. Taxation, in their view, is a form of coercion because it forces individuals to surrender part of their earnings. They argue that people should own their income completely and decide how to spend it. Libertarians also point out that the negative income tax can reduce the motivation for people to work or improve their situation. If you know the government will top up your income regardless, there's less incentive to earn more or find better jobs. This can lead to less productivity and slow down economic growth. They worry that it discourages effort and innovation. Another concern is that expanding such a program means bigger government. More government means more bureaucracy, more rules, and less personal freedom. Libertarians prefer a smaller government that only protects individual rights, not one that manages wealth redistribution. They also see redistribution as unfair because it takes from those who earn and gives to those who do not. Libertarians believe that wealth earned through voluntary exchange and effort belongs to the individual, not the state. They argue that taking that income without consent violates property rights. Additionally, funding a negative income tax requires higher taxes, which can hurt the economy. Higher taxes might lead to less investment, fewer jobs, and even economic instability. Some worry that it could cause deficits, inflation, and reduce savings, all of which harm overall prosperity. Finally, libertarians think that a negative income tax might not replace existing welfare programs. Instead, it could add to them, increasing government spending and making social support more complicated. They prefer to cut back on welfare programs and lower taxes to give people more control over their money and lives. Overall, they see the negative income tax as a policy that expands government power, reduces personal incentives, and limits individual liberty. Instead, they advocate for less government interference, more personal responsibility, and a free economy that allows individuals to thrive without unnecessary restrictions.